Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This radio has embedded Bluetooth model of the radio AnyTone AT-D890. You can go to the menu of the radio and connect Bluetooth devices such as Bluetooth headphones with the microphone and external PTT button and use it. The radio has Bluetooth. You can connect the PTT button and headphones. Currently I connected the PTT button and headphones. When I press the PTT button, the first radio transmits the signal to the second radio. Let's test. Test.
Testing. Audio. Testing. It works pretty good. Testing. Audio. Currently you can see the signal from the headphones, Bluetooth headphones. Right now I'm transmitting the signal from this radio to the second radio, and the second radio transfers the signal through the Bluetooth into the microphone. Testing audio.
Let's check the coordinates using the GPS functionality, GPS information. This is my current location.